Come to the next one, the whole world in one page with an integrated understanding of the sciences and math. And here, there's a lot that has been discovered, lots that has been discovered. So many insights in motion, in heat, in sound, and light. You can see all around the engineering. I'm seeing a bus here. The bus runs with something. I can see power cables and electricity and magnetism. The whole world has been changed. Our world has been changed by science and technology. And this has come from scientific discoveries and physics, chemistry, biology, maths. But scientific discoveries, as I said in the earlier video, is also connected. Is also connected to basics. Science is also connected to basics. And if you read the basics, the science with respect to the basics, it's going to be a different thing. It's going to be a different thing altogether. Physics, chemistry, biology, maths, engineering. Those people who understand physics deeply, chemistry deeply, very few people do. But those who understand, they are the Nobel Prize winners. They are the great scientists. They are the great inventors. Even businessmen to some extent. Though nowadays businessmen are more into marketing and all that. So I'm talking about businessmen like Henry Ford, even Google, the great Google, and so on. So these are the technologies and scientists, and they are not technical. It is not technical. It is science only. It's understanding only. It's rationality only. And here, what is the basic? People have found out that every atom is connected to every other atom on a basic level, and this whole universe and this earth and everything is very connected. You understand? And there is the issue of senses. What is light and what is yellow? I'm seeing yellow. What is yellow? Light. What is yellow? You know, the cause of light and the color of light. Like that. Similarly, other aspects of philosophy and physics. So this is the, how do you concretize this? You concretize this by not falling for bad philosophy, according to me. And that work has been done by an amazing guy called Bill Gade, Billgaede. If you really read, even you yourself, first-handed, we again come back to, you have to read first-handed the physics, chemistry, biology, technology. Basically, in basics, you will understand that there is a lot of irrationality, a lot of maths taken as physics. Maths taken as physics is the biggest flaw in modern physics. So what is how do you go around that? That is the Bill Gates videos, or you can also think on your own. There must be something which is real, which is connecting everything to anything, which gives rise to this world. Anyway, that is the conclusion. And so when you finally understand all this, even kind of minimum understanding also, if you just open your eyes to all this also, if you know that there is a life and a death, so much also is not needed maybe. Even if you just know that there is a life and a death, and that we are just born on from millennia, for a while we'll live, we become very light-hearted. We don't catch on to beliefs. We don't catch on. We don't have any need to catch on to beliefs. And that, I believe, is liberation. So we talk about the particular specific life. We'll talk about that in the next video.